Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your trust wallet phrase. First, understand that your seed phrase is the master key to your crypto assets. It's a unique sequence of words, typically 12 or 24, that allows you to restore your wallet on any device. Losing it means losing access to your funds, and sharing it means giving someone else control. Always treat it with the utmost confidentiality. To begin, open your Trust Wallet app and head to the Settings tab, usually found in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on Wallets to see a list of your active wallets. Locate the wallet you wish to back up and tap the small information icon, often represented by an eye in a circle, next to its name. This action will lead you to the wallet's details. On the Wallet Details screen, you'll find an option labeled Show Secret Phrase. Tap this, and you'll likely need to confirm your identity with a password or biometric scan. Once revealed, carefully write down each word of the phrase on paper, ensuring the spelling and order are exact. Never take a screenshot or store it digitally. Physical copies in secure, private spots are best for safekeeping. Your seed phrase is the ultimate key to your crypto. Remember, Trust Wallet support will never ask you for it, nor should any legitimate service. Be wary of phishing attempts and scams that try to trick you into revealing it. Keeping your phrase safe is paramount to securing your digital assets. For those looking to upgrade their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Protecting your crypto and your home are both smart moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.